नमस्कार. स्टुडंट मिडियाच्या मतदार राजा या कार्यावळीत तुमका सगळ्यांक येवकार. अमेया अ डेअरी एंटरप्राइज बाय अमाब इंडस्ट्रीज आणि पुरस्कृत केल्ली ही कार्यावळ आमी तुमच्या मुखार घेवन येता. आमी जवळ 1/3 मतदारसंघांनी भोंवून आयल्या आणि आयज आमी पावल्या मडगांवां. गोंयची एक कमर्शियल कॅपिटल म्हणटात, कमर्शियल सिटी म्हणटात. दक्षिण गोंयचें एक मुखेल शहर मडगांवां. आयज आमकां हांगा प्रतिनिधी आयल्यात उलोवपाक ह्या घटकांतले हांगाचे तरेतरेच्या. मडगांवां पळोवंक गेल्यार 1989 जी गोंय राज्याक दर्जो मेळटकूच वेंचणूक जाली तेन्ना अनंत नरसिंह नायक हो स्वतंत्र उमेदवार निवडून आयल्लो 6447 मतां घेवन. आनी त्या वेळार दिगंबर कामत काँग्रेसीक राविल्लो 5995 मतां घेवन तो दुसरे सुवातेर उरलो. आनी 1989 जी गोंय राज्य जातकूच 40 मतदारसंघ जातकूच पयली वेंचणूक जाल्ली तेन्ना अनंत नरसिंह नायक ही वेंचणूक जिखलेलो 452 मतांच्या फरकांनी. उपरांत 94, 99 आनी 2002 अश्यो दिगंबर कामत भाजपाचे वतीन जिखलो. 1994 ताणें 5009 मतां घेतली आनी त्या वेळार काँग्रेसचो राजू नायकाक 2697 मतां मेळ्ळी आनी मतांचो फरक आशिल्लो 2312. 1999 दिगंबर कामतीक पडली 7549. भाजपाचो उमेदवार तेन्ना MK शेख काँग्रेसीचो 4272. मतांचो फरक आशिल्लो 3277. 2002 परतोय दिगंबर कामत भाजपाचेर निवडून आयलो. 8525 मतां घेतली. गिरीश चोडणकार काँग्रेसीचो आशिल्लो 3781 मतां घेवन दुसरे सुवातेर उरलो आनी मतांचो फरक त्या वेळार आशिल्लो 4744. अकस्मात 2005 दिगंबर कामतीन जो 2 नंबरचो मंत्री आशिल्लो भाजपा सत्तेर सरकारान तेन्ना 2005 ताणें राजिनामो दिलो आनी परती ताणें फेरवेंचणूक घेतली, पोटवेंचणूक घेतली आनी तो काँग्रेसी वटेन रावन परतूनय ते वेंचणूक जिखून 8682 मतां ताणें मेळयली. शर्मत रायतुरकार विरोधी दुसरो आशिल्लो 7305 मतां. 2007 दिगंबर कामत काँग्रेसी वटेन रावलो आनी 9198 मतां घेतली. शर्मत रायतुरकार भाजपाचो 7170 मतां. फरक आशिल्लो मतांचो 2028. आनी जी 2012 फाटल्या 5 वर्सां पयलीं वेंचणूक जाल्या तातूंत परतोय काँग्रेसीचो दिगंबर कामत 12041 मतां घेवन आयलो. 54.36% ताणें मतां घेतिल्ली. रुपेश मात्मे भाजपाचो 7589, 34.26% मतां. सावियो कुतिनोंक 1873 मतां आनी आयवो कुतिनो आनी सेड्रिक डिकोस्टा हांकां 400-250 अशीं मतां पडलेली. त्या वेळार दिगंबर कामत 4452 मतांच्या फरकान जिखून आयिल्लो. पळोवंक गेल्यार दिगंबर कामत भाजपा वटेन 3 वेंचणुको जिखला आनी काँग्रेसी वटेन बायपोल धरल्यार तो परतोय 3 वेंचणुको जिखला. आज आमी हांगा ह्या मतदारा कडेन भासाभास करतले, जाणून घेतले ह्या इतल्या वर्सांक गोंय राज्याक घटक दर्जो मेळून इतल्यो 10 वेंचणुको जाल्यो त्या 10 वेंचणुकांनी जे कितें उदरगत जाल्या तातूंत फाटल्या 5 वर्सांक तांची अपेक्षा आशिल्ल्यो त्यो पुराय जाल्या वो ना, तांचे फुडल्या 5 वर्सांक प्रतिनिधी कशे आसचे हाजेरूय वेळ मेळ्ळ्यार आमी भासाभास करतले आनी तांचें फुडलें विजन कितें आसा त्या बद्दलूय जाणून घेतले.
I am Advocate Rajiv Gomes. I am from Margaon. I have been into social activism since last 1 year, and I have studied the issues which are plaguing Margaon very closely. There are 8 major issues which are in Margaon, which are facing Margaon city. The first is the garbage issue. Garbage issue has not been solved since the last many years. The Sonsrod dump, which was cleared many years back, now is only growing higher and higher. There is absolutely nothing done. Meetings are conducted, but absolutely nothing has been done to reduce this heap of garbage which is mounting there. The second one is a multi-level parking. Margaon faces a big problem about parking. There is, I don't know why the municipality has not yet implemented pair parking, why it has not actually constructed the multi-level parking facility for which funds were already earmarked, were actually allotted by the government. That has not been done. It doesn't appear to be seriously pursued. That is the main thing. Burial ground. Margaon is in need of a common burial ground. There was an issue some time back. If you see, the Muslim community has been fighting for the Kabristan for the last more than 17 years. They have not been given. Land has been allotted to them in the year 2011 opposite Sonsrod dump till now, but it has not been made available to them in order to bury their dead there. There's another issue, and as well as there is no common burial ground for people of other faiths. That is not done. Though there are several representations made. The other one is an open space, an open ground for Margao. This is the issue which is a boiling issue since many years now. Since 2011 again. This happened before the last election. The issue arose before the last election. If you see Margao, एक देखून ये ना कितें open ground, so हेडपा ground, playground ना besides Costa ground. Costa ground is the only ground available in Margao. असलो तो next आता Fatawada ground. Margao आणि कांय ground ना. This is the only available ground. The residents of Aken, the neighboring areas, they have only this one ground. Now they are saying that even we are fighting for now. The ground has a total area of 9,000 and something, 2 acres there. Now 9,800 something is the total area of the ground. We are saying give us only 4,500. We are not actually obstructing the builder from constructing on a part of that ground. 4,500 the builder can very well do his construction. We are only asking for a part of the ground. This issue should have been resolved in the interest of Madgaonkars. This land should have been acquired by the government. In the year 2011-2012, there are resolutions taken by the Margao Municipal Council to acquire this ground, but again not pursued. And I don't know why it was not pursued. We are going to again restart that process of pursuing. Thereafter is the issue of stray dogs. Now stray dogs, I have been told, the municipality pays 50,000 rupees every month to one animal welfare trust. But there is no accountability of this trust. How many dogs are given anti-rabies vaccines? How many dogs are sterilized? Absolutely nothing. No record is there. Whatever there is, so whatever account is given by that trust is accepted, and 50,000 every month is paid to them. If you actually go around Margao, stray dog menace is rampant everywhere. People cannot go, children cannot walk without fearing or without running the risk of being attacked by these dogs. Such is the mess. Then is vending zones. If you see go around Margao, there are hawkers on the street. If you see opposite a police station, behind a post office, everywhere people from outside Margao have been coming over here and hawking openly, which affects their business also. The vendors, they are getting affected by this. I am saying, why has the municipality till now not constituted a vending committee? Vending committee constitute korba asta. Supreme Court has given guidelines in 2013 to constitute this vending committee and actually have these vending zones. So how is Margao Municipal, why is Margao Municipal Council and even the MLA, they should get involved in this. Then this vending zone should be so that illegal hawking, illegal gadas and all can be rehabilitated. I'm not saying stop them completely, but put them in another place, because a lot of congestion is taking place in Margao city because of these illegal gadas also and illegal hawking.
ॲडव्होकेट राजीव गोमसान मडगांवच्या सध्याच्या परिस्थितीचेर एक सरभोंवतणी नदर मारल्या आणि 5-6 मुद्दे ताणें उपस्थित केल्या. हे परते मागीर आमी चर्चेक घेवया. सावियो,
आय एम सावियो कुटिनो, एक्स चेअरपर्सन मार्गांव म्युनिसिपल काउन्सिल. आनीक जे आतां मुद्दे बाब राजीवान काडिल्ले आहा ते म्हाका याद येता 5 वर्स पयलीं एक सिमिलर असलोच एक प्रोग्राम आमी BPSन घडोवन हाडिल्लो प्रुडंटानूच. आनीक साबार ह्या इश्यूचेर, मडगांवच्या इश्यूचेर आमी भासाभास केल्ली. आनी फाटल्या रिकॉर्डिंग पयलें जालें जाल्यार ह्या सगळे इश्यू त्याय कार्यक्रमात सेम आसा तशें आशिल्ले. सो 5 वर्स उपरांत आज आमी म्हणूंक शकता की ह्या 5 वर्सां काळान ह्या सगळ्या इश्यूंतल्यान खंयचो एक पण मुद्दो सॉल्व जाला, सुटावो जाला मडगांव, एकूय जावना. सो आमी ऑफकोर्स एक्सपेक्ट करनाशिल्ले की ह्या 5 वर्सान कितें जायत अशें, कित्याक ताज्या पयलीं जेन्ना 5 वर्सां फूल टर्म एक चीफ मिनिस्टराच्या नात्यान आमच्या रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्हाक एक चीफ मिनिस्टर म्हूण सर्व करूंक मेळ्ळें मडगांवाक, त्या काळान कांय जावंक शकना. जाल्यार ऑपोजिशनान रावन कितें सुमार एक्सपेक्टेशन आशिल्लें तें आमकां खबर आसा. सो व्हडलेशें एक्सपेक्टेशन नाशिल्लें, पूण फक्त मडगांव दिसती पडलें म्हणटा तें हॉट मिक्स रोड. परतून हॉट मिक्सिंगूच जाला. जे फुटपाथ आसले ते त्या लेवलाचेर आज रोड पावला. जे सिवरेज सिस्टम आतां रोडात चालू आसा. रोड्सांचे हाल पळोवपाक गेले जाल्यार लोकांक रोडार वचपा सारकें ना. सिवरेजा काम इतली स्लो जावन आसा आनी कंप्लीटूच जायना. दुसरे वाटेन जे सिवरेज लायन्स घातिल्ले आसा ते फॉल्टी आसा. चेंबर फोडून डिपार्टमेंटूच गटरान सिवेज सोडटा, रॉ सिवेज, आनी तें सगळें रिवर्साला वयता. दुसरी वाट आनी एक गव्हर्मेंट एजन्सी रिवर्साल डिसेल्टिंग म्हण करता, 3.5 कोटी मोडटा. आनी हाजेर म्हणजे हेंच कोऑर्डिनेशन ना. आनीक पयशे कशे वेस्ट करपा सांगपा म्हळ्यार गव्हर्मेंटाक जावं जे ऑथॉरिटीज आहा तेंचे कडेन शिकपा जाय वेस्ट कशें करपा जाय. रिगार्डींग स्ट्रे डॉग इशू हो एक खरेंच एक सिरियस इशू जावन आसा. फाटले काळार 2011 मिशन रेबीज म्हण एक NGO आयिल्ले आनी तेणी कितलेशे स्टेरिलायजेशन केल्ले आनी एक एंटी रेबीज वॅक्सिनेशनूय बी केल्लें आनी ते गेले उपरांत म्युन्सिपालिटीन जावं लोकल बॉडीन हें चालू दवरपा जाय आशिल्लें. पूण जे स्पिडान ते जे नंबर ऑफ डॉग्स पर मंथ तशें करून जे स्टेरिलायज जावपा आशिल्ले ते प्रमाणे ते जावना आनी त्या कारणाक लागून आज परतून सेम नंबर ऑफ अनस्टेरिलायज डॉग्स ऑर हे स्ट्रे डॉग्स आसा ते परतून रोडार येयल्ले आसा. गार्बेज म्हणटा ते आतां डोर टू डोर चालू केल्ले. गार्बेज हें सारकें जायना कारणान जेवण मेळटा ऑन द रोड सो ऑटोमॅटिकली स्ट्रे डॉग्स रस्त्यार मेळटा आमकां. कित्याक डोर टू डोर कलेक्शन सपोज सारकें जाल्लें जाल्यार सुण्यांक जो स्ट्रे डॉग्स आसा तांकां हें खाण मेळनाशिल्लें आनी ते तुका रस्त्यार वाडनाशिल्ले. सो हे सगळे इश्यूज आहा ते लोकल रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्स दे आर ऑल्सो पार्ट ऑफ द कावन्सील. मारगांव म्युन्सिपल एसोसिएट मेंबर्स आहा ते पूण ते म्युन्सिपल कावन्सिला मिटिंगे वचपाक तांकां टायम मेळना. SCPD मिटिंग जातात ती सामके ना चुकता मेंबर्स एटेंड जातात. पूण म्युन्सिपालिटी जेन्ना तुमचीच आसा म्युन्सिपल कावन्सील जी बॉडी आसा रुलींग बॉडी आसा इज कंट्रोल्ड बाय बोथ दीज MLAs बट दे आर नेवर सीन इन द कावन्सील. probably they are having meetings earlier day and giving the resolutions what have to be approved. And मागीर बेरियल ग्राउंडा इशू जो जाल्लो आसा फाटीं युनॅनिमसली पास जावन तसले परिणाम जाता मागीर. सो हाजेर आमदारांनी लक्ष घालून ते सुटावे करपा जाय. रिंग रोड आसा आतां एक रिंग रोड अजीत हेगडे म्हण चेअरपर्सन आशिल्लो 85 to 90 त्या काळार एक रिंग रोड पास जाल्लो फ्रॉम कोंबा रायट अप टू रावनफोंड. आज पासून तो रिंग रोड हें जायना कंप्लीट जायना आनी एक भाग येता कोंकण रेल्वे स्टेशना भायर आपोलो हॉस्पिटल त्या वाटेन आज तो तितलो कुडको एस्फाल्टींग बी जाल्लें पूण आज थिंग पळयलें जाल्यार तो रोड म्हण उरपाना आनी एक 5 वर्सान. कित्याक थंय हॉकर्स जावं गाडे जावं इतली येयत आसा की आतां आनी 5 वर्सान कडेन ती पांयवाट जातली रोड आसता आनी मागीर तांकां रिहॅबिलिटेशन करपाक आनी एक पॅकेज सोदपा पडटलें.
जे मुद्दे ॲडव्होकेट राजीव गोमसान मांडलेले तांकां सावियो कुतिनोन पुष्टी दितना म्हळां की जे 2012 वर्साची वेंचणूक जातना प्रुडंटान अशीच एक कार्यावळ BPS क्लबान घेतिल्ली तेन्ना हेच मुद्दे उपस्थित जाल्ले ह्या मुद्द्यांचेरूच चर्चा जाल्ली आनी तातलो एकूय सुटावो जावंक ना अशें ताणें खेदान सांगलां. सिवरेज लायन फॉल्टी आसा तांतली घाण एकदां डिपार्टमेंटाचे मनीसूच उक्ते करून चेंबरां गटारान सोडटात म्हणटा तो आनी हातून भलायकेक त्रास जावपाची शक्यताय आसता. तशेंच रिवर साळान ते वता घाण आनी एके वटेन दुसरे वटेन रिवर साळ नितळ करपाचो प्रकल्प हातात घेवन कोट्यांनी पयशे मोडटात आनी पयशाचो खर्च करतना कोणाचें ताचेर नियंत्रण ना असो ताणें एक आरोप केला.
My name is Dr. Ashish Kamath. I am the president of the United Goans Foundation and also a voter of Margaon. I was born in Margaon, so there are a lot of issues which the first two speakers have mentioned about, and I concur with each and every issue which they have raised. But other than the fact that Savio mentioned that it's only 5 years, but I feel that these issues have been plaguing Margaon for years together. When Rajiv spoke about, both the speakers spoke about garbage management, sanitation, sewerage. Yes, Margaon is looked upon to be the commercial capital of Goa. Margaon should have set standards for the whole of Goa to follow, but this hasn't happened. Maybe if we go to look at it, then the citizens of Margaon should take part of the responsibility, because a proactive citizenry is a very important part of democracy. And in no way can we point out fingers single-handedly to the people in power, whether it is the MLA or the people who are running the council. Other than that, the parking and the traffic issues which plague the center of Margaon as well as the surrounding areas is evident. There are no parking areas designated, no multi-level parking planned, Plannings were there. I'm saying it was planned, sanctioned, but nothing has happened. So the government needs to work on that. Also, if you consider the infrastructure development of Margao over the period of time, because of the lopsided approach of the planning development board, it seems to me that other than the fact that builders have been allowed to trash laws which are applicable, because considering the new buildings which are there, they wouldn't be able to handle the parking for the people who are visiting the shops or establishments or the people who are staying there in the building. So this is an issue which has to be sorted out at the planning stage, and enforcement has to be in place, wherein the planning authority has to see that if anyone flaunts the law, then he has to be taken into action. One of the major issues, and mind you, as a Madgaonkar, this is something which hurts me the most. The most beautiful part of Margao, which is Moti Dongar, is in the hands of illegal migrants. Successive governments have not done anything. Rather, this government, the BJP government, which came with a majority of 21 MLAs, is now bringing in a law to regularize all these things. It is actually an insult to each and every Madgaonkar who's sitting here and who are going to vote these elections. Because I don't see any reason why people have to be law-abiding. It is much easier, it is much better to break the law and tomorrow expect the government to bring out a rule which supports the whole cause. Secondly, if we look at Hospicio, it has been in a very bad shape for a long time. The new district hospital has been, the structure has been standing for a couple of years now, but nothing has happened other than an additional tender of 80 crores. So the Margao bus stand, which people say it's a cowshed, but yes, considering the fact that we Margao people haven't done anything, and also Fatorda being a sister constituency of ours, you can consider saying that yes, we are kind of cows as far as the shed is concerned. Then one of the most important, the wholesale fish market, which is a mess, and you all must have encountered during the discussion in Fatorda. But what is required is initiatives taken for the well-being of the citizen. See, every citizen feels for the government when his standard of life is raised. He feels for development which is taken place for the reason the government is supposed to be. When you look at the citizen here today, I'm saying consider all majority of the areas wherein he's raised one question of open areas. There are hardly any open areas in Margao. There is hardly any open space wherein a child can go intermingle with other children and have some sports activities. That is dead. And what happens to be is that all these issues are in the face of everyone. And that's the reason I said that citizens have to be more proactive. They should be more demanding. If an MLA or a councillor is going down the wrong track, they need to question him. And it is only then that we can expect some change. Because in Goa, where personal relations hold sway over everything else, sometimes it is better to walk that talk and ask that person that, fine, we elected you, what have you done for us? And that is the main question.
आशीष कामतीन एक खेद परगटायला, निदर्शवणी निवेदन केला ताणें की मोती दोंगर जो आसा तो मायग्रंट म्हणजे स्थलांतरीत लोक आसात, भायले लोक येतात तांच्या ताब्यान गेला आणि सरकार एक नवो कायदो करून जाणी बेकायदेशीरपणान घरां बांदलेलीं आसा ती घरां रेग्युलरायज करतात, ती कायदेशीर करतात, जाल्यार तो असो प्रश्न उपस्थित करता कित्याक तर आमी कायदो मोडचो न्हू, कित्याक सरकारान मागीर केन्ना तरी ताजे खातीर कायदो करून तें परते जाग्यार घालूं येता. हॉस्पिशियो हॉस्पिटल हाजी खेद ताणें परगटायला. नियोजन सारकें जायना आनी अंमलबजावणी सारकी जायना म्हणून ताणें एक उजवाड घाला.
आगुस्तिनो गामा, सोशल वर्कर आनी शेडो कावन्सिलाचो मेंबर. जशें की आतां डिस्कशन चल्लां रिवर सालाचेर, जंय सावयो बाब आनी राजू बाब तेणी सांगलां रिवर साल ही सारकी पोल्युटेड करून उडयल्ली आसा. 6 म्हयने जाले हे रिवर साला पासून हांव झगडत आसा आनी स्टँडींग कमिटीक पासून हो रिपोर्ट धाडलेलो आहा, पूण तेजेर कांयच एक्शन जावना. म्हाजे पद्दतीन आजून पासून एक्शन जावचें ना. कित्याक पयलीं रिवर सालान भितर वयता जे सगळे इल्लिगल सोडलेले आहा ते पयली बंद जावपा जाय कित्याक ही रिवर साल एक टायमार थंय मिठाचे ओगर आसले लोक भितर म्हशी सोडटाले फिशींग गरयताले थंय आनी तेजेर आपले पोट भरताले आयज ते रिवर साला पांय सुद्दां दवरपा ना पांय दवरपाक सोड म्हशी सोडल्यो जाल्यार तेजी म्हशी दूद पिवपा अशी परिस्थिती ना हे रिवर साल नितळ जावचे पयलीं हे जे घरांतल्यो हॉटेलांतल्यो हे डायरेक्ट झोपडपट्टी जे सगळे वेस्ट सोडलेलो आहा हो वेस्ट पयलीं तेजेर कितें गव्हर्मेंटान एक्शन घेवन हो वेस्ट पयलीं बंद करपा जायो नाजाल्यार ते कितले कोटी रुपया मोडले म्हूण ते कांयच अर्थ आसतना सेकंडीन जशें आशीष बाबान सांगलां मोती डोंगर एक इल्लिगल हें जाला म्हणून प्रत्येक कडेन दिसता तुका इल्लिगल पयर आनी कांय 3 फावटी कंप्लेंट दिला हांगा मुन्सिपाल्टीन खारे बांदार एक इल्लिगल सारकी व्हडली झोपडी येयल्ली आहा आनी त्यो आतां 10 जाल्यो 20 जाल्यो 30 जाल्यो 40 संख्येन वाडत आसा पूण तेजेर इल्लिगल कितें आमी कंप्लेंट घातली जाल्यार ते कोणूच एक्शन घेवपाक तयार ना आनी आतां अशें कळलां की तेंची वोटींग कार्ड करपा चालू जाल्ली आहा आधार कार्ड करपा चालू जाल्लें आसा हें सगळें गोंयान मडगांवां भितर कितें चल्लां तें कोणाक कांय समजना जे पर्यंत हें सगळें क्लियर जावपा ना हें इल्लिगल आहा तें उडोवपा ना ते पर्यंत हें सगळें गार्बेज प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व जावचो ना तशेंच रोड हांगा मडगांवांत एक रोड वायडिंगा जो एक्वायर केल्लो लँड आसा रोड वायडिंगा थंय कलेक्टर ऑर्डर दिता किओस बांदपाक किओस इट इज अ परमनंट स्ट्रक्चर काय टेम्पररी स्ट्रक्चर तें विचारपाक सोदता किओस म्हणल्यार एक गाडो पूण आयज थंय सर मोठी मोठी शेटराची शॉपां जाल्या तेजेर जर मुन्सिपाल्टी कंप्लेंट घातली जाल्यार कोणूच थंय इन्स्पेक्शनूय करपाक येना आनी कोण ते काडपाकूय येना पूण सादो कोण मनीस तरी कितें एक इल्लिगल एक वणट बांदता ती रोखडी मोडपाक मुन्सिपाल्टी कंप्लेंट दिनासतना घरा पावता अशें कितें जाता दुसरें म्हणल्यार गार्बेजा प्रॉब्लम जो आसा गार्बेजाचेर कितलींच स्टेंग ऑपरेशन केली हांवें मडगांवा भितर हांगसरली गार्बेज कलेक्शन करता ते गार्बेज कलेक्शन करता तेंचें नियंत्रण ना जे ऑफिसर आसा तेंचें नियंत्रण ना ते जाय ते आपल्या मनमानी आहा ते गाड्यांचेर वयता दुकानाचेर वयता इल्लिगल आहा तेंचेर पयशे कलेक्ट करता आनी थंय मुन्सिपाल्टीन वचून ते पयशांची ते ITI मागले जाल्यार ते मुन्सिपाल्टीन एक पयसो जमा आसना जाल्यार हे पयशे वयता खंय जे पर्यंत हेजेर कितली फावटी आमी कंप्लेंट केली जाल्यार मुन्सिपाल्टीचे जे मेन ऑथॉरिटी आहा तेमी गरजच समजना म्हणजे ऑफिसरां हाडून कमीच जाप विचारतले हें कितें जालें म्हणून हें कशें गेलें पयशे खंय गेले आनी जेन्ना पयशे जमा जाता ते ऑफिसरांतले एकावंटल्यान पयशे जमा म्हाका दिसता मुन्सिपाल्टी कडेन एकावंट ना दिसता ऑफिसर आहा तो आपल्या एकावंटल्यान चॅक घालता आनी मुन्सिपाल्टीच्या एकावंटान घालता हे भाशेन जे हें इल्लिगल जें चल्लां हो जे पर्यंत बंद जावचें ना ते पर्यंत मडगांव कांयच उदरगत जावचें ना अशें म्हाजें म्हणणें आहा
आगोस्तीन बाबान मडगांवान घडटा त्या चडशा घटनांचेर एक नियाळ घेतना खुबश्यो सुचोवण्योय केल्या आनी जे पर्यंत बेकायदेशीर कामां बंद जायना तो पर्यंत उदरगत केन्नाच जावची ना अशें ताचें म्हणणें अशें आसा की जे सांडपाणी आसा सिवरेज आसा घाण आसा जी घरांतली हॉटेलांतली झोपडपट्ट्यांतली ती साळ न्हंयेन सोडटा ती पयलीं बंद करात आनी ती बंद करूनच मागीर साळ न्हंय उसपुवपाक खर्च करपाचें काम करा ही ताणें एक बरी सुचोवणी मांडल्या.
My name is Doris Texera. I am the Vice Chairperson of Margam Municipality. Here many issues were raised. Especially I would like to talk about firstly about sewerage. Yes, there is a sewerage problem. Before this government came, 5 years before, when we were, the sewerage, they were cleaning, they were trying to clean the River Sal. Myself, I had gone to meet the MLA of Naveli to tell him when some NGOs had come to obstruct the water going to River Sal. This has been the full Margaon, whatever water comes, the rain water comes, it comes to the River Sal. We cannot stop the water which comes from full Margaon, we cannot stop it. So I had personally gone to the MLA and put to him this idea saying that instead of blocking the water, we build a tank and we put all this dirty water into the tank and stop the water to go to into the River Sal. But no action was taken with this. Again, this time when the River Sal was taken for, they were doing the work of River Sal, the same idea was put forward to him, but still no action was taken. So it is not that the Margam municipality is not doing anything or the Margam MLA is not doing anything. We have put this. You all are saying that where should the garbage, where should all the sewerage go? till the sewerage of Khareband and Margaon sewerage connection is not done, this problem cannot be solved. When any cleaning of River Sal was done, all the government authorities should have come together. That is the PWD, sewerage, the local councillors, everybody should have taken into consideration. But nothing was done. But when these problems come, the councillor is being taken into action. They say the councillor was not doing this, the municipality was not doing this. But never, I feel, when any problem comes, then only the MMC comes into this show, saying that MMC has not done this, MMC has not done this. Sewerage, garbage, from the last, I was a councillor before this also, from last 1 year, I feel the door-to-door is functioning perfectly. Wherever there are problems, personally in Margaon, I go personally, wherever there is a problem, we go to see it. I cannot say that 100% problem has been solved, but 90% problems have been solved. Wherever there were issues, we give the people, we have told the people, we have given people the supervisor's number, my number also I have given. They call me directly and we are trying to solve the problem. But as Ashish said also, it is also the duty of the citizen also. We clean, today we clean, the next day the same garbage is put with the people. I can show you, day before yesterday, on the old station road, I personally stood and I cleared that part. By evening, again the garbage was thrown there. Now you all can tell me how can we solve this problem? As Ashish said, citizens also should come forward. They should also come and see. If we tell people why are you throwing garbage here, you hear many things from the way we should throw our garbage, they say. If citizen and the MMC doesn't work together, this problem is not going to be solved. In my ward, which is Shirwade, their people is to come and throw garbage from Naveli side. To solve this problem, I, with a NGO, took a problem and we built a station. We have built a station where we put all the dustbins inside. We told people from Naveli, okay, you all come, but you all don't throw the garbage down. At least you all get down from your car and throw it into dustbins. People throw it literally on the ground. Literally throwing on the ground when we have kept bins there. So you can tell us how can this problem be solved? Till people don't come forward, people don't understand what is cleanliness. Vishant also theatre. In the morning we clean, but by evening again the same garbage is come. So till people don't understand what is cleanliness, how it is to be done, we cannot solve this problem. It is not one only that MLA or the MMC has to do it. It has to be, everybody has to come together to solve this problem. I know there is traffic problem here, which is, we are trying to solve this problem. The parking lot which is there, with that also we are, very soon it is going to be start. So I feel that it is not that the MLA or the MMC is not doing. We are trying our best. Today we have, it has been completed 1 year of us. In 1 year, I feel we have done lots of work so that we can go to the people and say that we have done some work.
डॉरिसबाई जे मडगांव नगरपालिकेन उपनगराध्यक्ष आसा ताणें पयलें उलयतना मानून घेतल्या ही गजाल की सिवरेज प्रॉब्लम मडगांवचें आसा म्हणून, पूण ताचें अशेंय म्हणणें आसा की जी घाण जाता आनी जी उदकाची घाण सगळी साळ न्हंयेन सोडटा ती आडोवपाक तिणें स्वता आनी नगरपालिकेन यत्न केल्यात, पूण जे कडसून म्हणजे जी खाती संबंदीत खाती आसा, जावं PWD खाती, जावं सिवरेज खातें, जावं लोकल म्युनिसिपालिटी एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, जावं आमदार, अशे सगळ्यांचे जे संबंध येतात त्या प्रश्ना कडेन ते सगळे एकठांय येवन हो प्रश्न सुटावो करपाक वावरनात अशें ते म्हणटा. गार्बेजीचे ते म्हणटा 90% प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व जाला.
I am Sheikh Zabir Ahmed, a social worker from Margaon. Most of the issues, Rajiv Baba and Savi Baba, सगळे issues, almost major issues जे आसा मडगांवचे ते सगळे issues येयल्ले आसा. आनी हे इश्यू आतां हे इलेक्शनाक लागून आतां हांगा मतदाराजान बसला आमी की इश्यू आमी हांगासर काय डिबेट करतात.